So here we are. We're in Chinatown, and what are me and Patty eating? We're eating Isan food, jumping shrimp. I even asked the guy; he didn't understand. I said, "We're Isan people." I said, "Is this jumping shrimp? Are they still jumping?"
Yes.
Oh, it's very spicy, man. I ate a spoonful. They're basically live baby shrimp, and they're jumping. And they put like a bunch of, Isan spices, lemongrass, chili, all that. Good stuff. Chinatown, baby. Good stuff. Let's go back to the hotel.